Hello everyone, I am Sadia Sultana. My ID is 143357881. Today I will discuss about the recently occurred hacking of Bangladesh Bank. First, I summarize the hacking story of Bangladesh Bank. In February 5, 2016, it was a Friday when the attack happened in Bangladesh. 35 orders worth US 951 million were sent from Bangladesh Bank for the Federal Reserve Bank of New York. 30 orders were blocked. 4 tranches of money totaling US 81 million was remitted to the Philippines. Another transmission of US 20 million was suspended because a routing bank found that the name of the organization was misspelled. Now I discussed the persons who are responsible for all these crimes. John Dos Aca, Michael Francisco Cruz, J.C. Christopher Lagrosas, Alfred Santos Vergara, Indico Teodoro Vasquez, Maya Santos Digoitu, Lorenzo Tan. Now I discuss the cyber offenses committed by each person accused. Attended to US 951 million from Bangladesh Central Bank account at the Federal Reserve Bank of New York using fraudulent transactions. Hacking Swift order system. Used a malware to hide evidence and go undetected by erasing records of illicit transfers with the help of compromised Swift system. Maya Santos Digoitu allowed 4 individuals with no track record to open account. Maya Santos Digoitu allowed respondent John Doe to withdraw money stolen from Bangladesh Bank. Now I discuss the possible punishment for the criminals from Bangladesh Perspective ICT Act. Section 54. Penalty for damage to computer system. Punishment up to 10 years imprisonment or with fine, which may extend to taka 10 lakhs or with both. Section 56. Punishment for hacking with computer system up to 10 years imprisonment or with fine, which may extend to taka 1 crore or with both. Section 61. Punishment for unauthorized access to protected system. Punishment up to 10 years imprisonment or with fine, which may extend to taka 10 lakhs or with both. Section 66. Punishment for misrepresentation and obscuring information. Up to 2 years imprisonment or with fine, which may extend to taka 2 lakhs or with both. Section 63. Punishment for disclosure of confidentiality and privacy. Up to 2 years imprisonment or with fine, which may extend to taka 2 lakhs or with both. Punishment for using computer for committing an offense. Punishment up to 10 years imprisonment or with fine, which may extend to taka 2 lakhs or with both. Thanks everyone for watching my video.